To begin bundling items for sale on the Vestiaire Collective, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Vestiaire Collective website, a platform for buying and selling secondhand designer fashion. Once on the site, you'll see a search bar and the option to sign in or sign up. If you already have an account, click Sign In and enter your email and password to access your account. If not, click Sign Up to create a new account. After logging in, you'll see various options, including the ability to sell an item, view your profile, and access your shopping bag. To sell items, click on the Sell button, where you can find options such as 48-hour flash sales. To bundle items, go to your profile, then click on My Items for Sale, where you can view your current listings. From here, you can add new items and create bundles that make sense, such as complementary pieces that go together nicely. When creating bundles, consider pairing items that are cohesive and appealing to potential buyers. By doing so, you can create attractive bundles that are more likely to sell. The key is to ensure that the items you bundle are relevant and desirable to buyers, increasing the chances of a successful sale.